Fairmont offer a collection of themed suites, so we're going to be taking a look around the Shanghai suite. Let's go take a look inside. You're greeted by the entryway, which has the black and gold aesthetic, and as you can see, we have some gold bamboo, which really does emulate the Shanghai vibe. And we've also got a bathroom.
So as you walk through into the first bedroom, you'll see that the theme of this entire suite is almost reminiscent of a super yacht. And that is because if you look at the decor on the walls, they've gone for a quick, crisp white, and just the whole ambience, for me, definitely emulates a super yacht. Now the nice thing about this first bedroom is if you walk over to the balcony, you've also got a view of the sea and the city skyline, which is quite unique, but that is just because of where this entire suite is located. So as we enter into the first bathroom, you'll notice it is very luxurious. Everything is also electronically controlled as well. So if you see inside of the toilet, you can see as you enter through, the lid automatically opens up, and that is fully remote controlled. The thing I like about this bathroom as well is the shower has two settings. So you can have it set on almost like a waterfall style shower where the water's pouring from the ceiling, which is really nice, or you can have your traditional shower head. And you'll notice the small detailing as well inside of here. You've got the small golden tiling, which I think looks really nice. But my favorite part about this first bathroom, and this isn't even the showpiece, is this sliding curtain over here. So whilst you're having a bath, you can actually see onto the bed, and if the blinds are open, you can also still see a view of the sea and some of the city skyline as well. So as we walk into the main living area of this suite, you'll notice on my left, we've got this almost like a dining area. And again, with this being the Shanghai suite, they've gone for the red and black contrasting, which I think is really nice. But just imagine yourself sat here on a nice evening with the balcony doors open with that view. I think is pretty amazing. But for me, the standout feature of this area definitely has to be this seating area over here. You've got this beautiful looking Shanghai themed rug. You've got the small detailing on the walls with the pottery and the lights. And with this suite hosting up to 6 guests, you've got plenty of room just to sit back and relax.
That might be his favourite bit, but personally, my favourite bit of the living area is the balcony area out here. Let's go take a look. go wrong with a balcony that has a view of the sea, but what's perfect about this one is it also looks out onto the Qatar landscape. As we enter the bath space area, you're greeted by these dojo-inspired doors, which again complements the Shanghai theme of the room. So the best thing about this bathroom area is a beautifully crafted marble bathtub that has a gorgeous view of the sea. They've really paid attention to detail with the his and her sinks. If you look closely, you can see that the taps are actually dragons. Don't know about you guys, but I'm going to enjoy a luxurious bath. I'll see you in the next video.